In today's video, we will talk about one thing, and that is about FBS Broker. FBS Broker recently won an award for their good service. They have won the Best Forex Broker Asia 2020 award. The award was given by Capital Financial International. That's why we will discuss in this video today why it's a very good broker, the various awards they have earned, their regulation, and what are the benefits of this broker. So stay with us. So hello viewers, I'm an official member of ForexPD. I hope you all are well. Most popular broker FBS offer many benefits. They have won various awards for their good facilities. The last time they won an award was called Best Forex Broker Asia 2020. In other words, they have been able to maintain this continuity in a good way at the present time. That's why they have won many awards. The number of clients of this broker is more than 15 million, and maximum traders are from Asia because they provide many facilities. This means that they are one of the most popular broker in Asia as well as in the world. This broker's journey began in 2009, and a year later it won its first award in 2010, and that name was Best Mini Forex Broker. Because of their good facilities, they won this award. Then a year later, they achieved another one award. That means in 2011, they won the award as Best Broker. And then they give the more surprise as the following year in 2012, they won 3 awards together. Among them were Best Forex Broker Asia, fastest growing broker in Asia, and Best Platform MT4. Not only this, they have won many awards every year for their good service. They have been giving their service continuously since their establishment till now. As a result, they have gained worldwide acclaim from various international organizations. They have also won many awards in 2019. Among these are Best Forex Broker in Europe, Best Forex Broker in Middle East, and many more awards they won in 2019 for their good service. To see their achievement, you have to come to their homepage, and there have an option called About. Then click on About. You will see an option History under the Information tab. So if you click History option here, you will see their details of their earned award. So far we have seen their various achievements. Now let's see what kind of service they are giving. Before that, let me say one thing, that those who don't subscribe our ForexPD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. First of all, let me say one thing. Here you get the facilities of verifying the account with just an ID card. I repeat, here you can verify your whole account with just an ID card. We have given a video on this topic where we have shown how to easily get verified and how to upload a document. Everything that has been said must be see this video if you don't see it. Then there are about 5 types of accounts available for trading. From this you can trade whatever you like. The accounts are standard, micro, ECN, cent, and zero spread. You all know we always talk about trading on ECN account, so here you are getting this account. Another big issue is here you get the cent account. So who are a beginner trader, they can use this cent account. A cent account is an account where you can get real trading experience by making a very little deposit. There have many benefits to doing this. Moreover, when you do real trading for the first time, you will face pressure on your mind, and that can be removed here by depositing a very little money. And one of the best advantage of this type is that you can do real trading by depositing only $1. Yeah, that is right. Here you get the lowest deposit amount is $1. The broker has minimum leverage of 1:50 and the maximum leverage of 1:3000. Such a low and high leverage is not found anywhere else. So if you are a beginner trader, then you can trade with low spread and low risk. What's more, for those who want to have an account under Islamic rules and want to trade in accordance with Islamic rules, this broker is offering the benefit of swap-free account. If you want to know how to create an Islamic account here, you must comment and let us know. ForexPD will upload video on this topic quickly. and here you get the lowest spread, so you don't have to pay much fee. And for those who are thinking about deposit and withdrawal, I say payment is made here very quickly, so hopefully you will get the maximum benefit from here. Moreover, this broker is regulated by the International Financial Service Commission. Here is the platform of MT4, MT5 and mobile trading platform, so you can do real trading by mobile. There are numerous payment gateway for depositing and withdrawing, such as Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum. Moreover, there are some more payment gateway including Perfect Money, Neteller and Skrill, so you can deposit and withdraw with whatever you like. One thing to keep in mind is that you have to withdraw through which you make the deposit. In other words, if you have deposited with Perfect Money, then you have to withdraw with Perfect Money while withdrawing. These are the rules, and this rules is not only here but in every broker. There are many more benefits including 24-hour live support, numerous trading instrument, instant account verification. Another big thing is that here you get the 100% deposit bonus. In other words, you will get exactly the same amount of dollar as a deposit bonus. Not just once. Every time if you make a deposit, you will get 100% deposit bonus. Deposit is not made once in a broker. Deposits is made many times. If the balance run out or decrease or change the plan, then you have to deposit again. So if you deposit more time, you will get bonus more time. However, we have discussed in a video that there are some little conditions. You must see it. There is a detailed discussion and how can we draw this bonus if you want. Then immediately create an account under the ForexBD's link, then verify your account and get the 100% bonus without any hassle. So viewers, this is our video. Hopefully you can understand the benefit of this broker and their good facilities. So hopefully you can take these facilities. And last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use ForexBD's link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under ForexBD's link. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.